I lost my car. Lost my car. Almost went homeless.
I mean, yeah, it's following.
Exactly. From New York, it's the 115.
It's a 105, bro.
It's your boy Meche and
Q.
Yo, we in Big Apple today.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This night, bro, it's all about celebration. It's all about growth.
It is.
It's all about the people in the city who are working hard, doing anything they can to make their dreams, their goals. The beautiful thing about growth is it's not just when it's great, but even when it's through the pains. And tonight, man, it's about celebrating the goals, no matter how big, no matter how small it is. It's still about getting to the goal. So,
Facts,
I mean,
facts.
shoot, bro.
Facts. Sure. And when it comes to the goals and when it comes to that journey, it's literally getting comfortable with the uncomfortable. But to be honest, none of this meets what we went through in Cali, bro.
Nah, bro. No.
Nothing.
Cali was a different beast, bro.
Cali was completely
I can't lie, like, you know
different.
what I'm saying? We in a new studio, different setup and everything. But I promise you, oh, man, Dylan would be proud of us today.
Dylan would be so proud. Hey, this for you, Dylan.
That's for you.
Yo,
Bro.
coast to coast. Yeah.
Towards the end of the original 115, we had a dope homie who left the apartment, and it became low-key chaos after that. Financial hardships happened. So many different crazy experiences that was like, damn, bro, this is the one, it's a vibe at the 115, and it always will be.
Facts.
But shoot, bro, I mean, tell me, dog, how's it been since you left the crib?
Yeah.
In the East Coast, tell me how everything's been, bro.
Bro, coming back has been nostalgic. I got to reconnect with old homies. I got to see them in a new light.
Yeah.
Boss, dog, Rec.
Yeah.
You know what I
That's
mean?
our special guest, by the way.
Money earning, mouth running. He
Yeah.
representing the city like Heavy D,
Yeah.
like Denzel Washington, you know what I'm saying?
That's what's up, bro.
So yeah, bro, it's a seeing my people win. It's always a pleasure.
Yeah.
Being with family, always a pleasure. Cause out in the West Coast, you know what I'm saying? You were family, but the
bro.
blood family
You know
was
what I'm
out
saying?
here.
Yeah,
So
It's,
yeah, bro.
man,
What about you?
that particular part of the journey was crazy. I can't lie, I lost my car.
No.
Lost my car. Almost went homeless.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
And what is about that? Like everybody in Cali, like everybody in Mother,
I swear,
bro.
I swear.
almost becomes homeless like this,
Yeah, there's just a weird,
like rite of passage.
yeah, it's like, in order for you to make it.
Yeah.
That being said, nah, man, it's the fact that we went through all these obstacles. Even, bro, even leading up to this event here, bro, it was the same shit. Like, I got for me, bro. I got to and be real. At one moment, bro, leading up to this event, did you think, bro, forget this?
Bro, on me, when that chicken in that, and the Julio was on that fence, when I was in that cab on the way, I swear to you, I was just like,
Dog, when we was trying to get into the venue.
oh yeah.
We was trying to get in.
Was it yesterday or 2 days ago? Was it 2 days ago?
No,
Oh, it was
yesterday.
yesterday.
Yeah.
It feels like 2 days ago.
All right, bro.
Well,
yeah.
yeah.
It's midnight.
It's
But
past
yeah, man,
midnight.
no, like, I promise you, man. It was one of those things where it's just like, man. I was like, what is going on, bro? They give me this miscommunications. They say we can't do this. They say we can't do that. All of a sudden, they springing up rules on us, and I'm sitting here like, the hell's going on? Like, what
That's
the
what
hell?
they were saying?
Oh, yes. I mean, but I talked to my therapist, and I recommend those. Go get a therapist. I'm telling you, go get a therapist. It helps. And he was just saying, man, like, when you throw an event, you gotta expect the bullshit. You really gotta expect some bullshit. So, hey, at the end of the day, what we doing now, bro, is a learning experience.
Yeah.
And here in the 115, like, we're always gonna keep it real. Always gonna keep it real. We're not gonna sugarcoat shit. We're not gonna fake shit. So the cool thing about it is you seeing the come up and then come back in real time. Real talk. Like, when y'all go back and watch these episodes, you're gonna see this episode as one of the seeds, the foundation, the start of some shit.
Facts.
And then all I want you to do is use this for yourself. Use it for motivation, for discipline, as a story for yourself, man.
Facts.
On the other side of every struggle, it's gonna be a reward.
Yeah. I do want to go ahead and run some stuff about what we did in Cali. Let's go ahead and run that tape real quick.
Yeah.
You know, the tape, like when we did the groundwork in Cali.
Yeah.
That's the groundwork in Cali. Go ahead and check it out.
Check that out.
Camera rolling.
All right, me for the 15 live has I'm with my cousin. And she win it, my twin, NK. Let him know, let him know. You know what I'm saying? All right, cause anything here is horrible. What? We caught myself. What is this? I was listening. No, technical with him. I don't know. But hey,
Let them know it's surviving.
at the 115, 115 saying? If you're not here, you missed out. Next time.
Next time.
Yeah. Forward, back.
Hello, the name is Kwame. I'm here with at the 115. We're doing enough small talk, and we're asking people, what's Juneteenth? And I'm here with
Kiki Mo.
Kiki Mo. So, what's Juneteenth to you?
Juneteenth to me is it's when when our people got free, basically. You know what I mean? And I think it's a special holiday. I don't think it's this. I think that it's not getting the recognition it needs to get, but we outside. But we outside and they see what's going on. It's a lot of motion out here for our people. You know what I mean? And I respect that, and I think the culture respect it too.
That's big facts. That's big facts. And now there's like a lot of controversy when it comes to the holiday. Like some people got the day off, some people don't. How you feel about that? You feel like it should be a federal holiday? You think Biden was just, you know what I'm saying?
I feel like it should. I mean, they gave them 4th of July, huh? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, give us our Juneteenth and make it a national. Don't just confine us to, certain people or certain groups or certain work environments. Give us the whole, the whole spiel. That's how I feel. Yeah, for sure.
Hey, that's what's up. That's what's up, yo.
Yeah,
In
on top.
effect, bro. Mad University.
Type
Chill,
shit.
yeah.
Black Money Entertainment too. Black Money Entertainment too. Don't forget, man. Y'all check us out, man.
Like it means like it's not good.
No, yes, it's not good. I don't date.
Can you name an experience that you had, like your worst dating story?
Yeah, I've met. That's all. It's embarrassing, bro.
I'm gonna be quiet. Hold on. Go ahead and name your worst dating story.
Next guest.
Yes, indeed. For our next guest, it's one of the homies. You know what I'm saying? He's a filmmaker. He's an artist. He makes experimental music.
Producer.
He's a producer, a filmmaker, an artist,
He's an Oscar winner,
a screenwriter.
a Tony Award writer.
Do you do novels?
I have worked on a novel.
Working on novels? Oh my goodness! This like he.
A Tony Awards or whatever they call it? What is that?
No, what you mean?
F. Scott?
Oh, F. Scott. He is it, or is it F. Scott?
I don't know.
I think it's a F. Scott. I think it's a F. Scott. It's a F. Scott. But welcome, Sam. What's up, bro?
What's going on, bro? What's happening, bro? Bro, man, go ahead.
Let the people know your stage name, your full
stage
name,
name.
your
All
every
right.
name.
Well, my full name is Samuel William Marshall Hasselby, but that's too much.
Okay,
So,
okay.
Sam Hasselby will do.
Okay.
Yes.
Bro, where you from, bro?
I was born and raised in Indiana, a little town called Brownsburg, surrounded by corn. And
Is that where they talk about Stranger Things? Is that the lore of Stranger Things?
it's amazing because a lot of shows and movies will base things in Indiana, but they'll film it in Vancouver.
Yeah.
Washington.
So,
yeah.
Like, they're like, this takes place in Indiana, and just looking around, like, nothing
that up.
about this looks like Indiana.
Yeah.
Being from Washington too, I'm like, yeah, bro. I don't think Indians that green like that as well.
It's really not. It's really yellow, honestly, a lot of the time.
Yeah.
Hilarious, bro. Man, I do have one more question, bro.
I got you.
I heard the Stranger Things is true in Indiana. Is that an actual the true conspiracy?
There have been a lot of random Indiana conspiracies. I have not heard that Stranger Things is true, but every once in a while you do hear like this movie or this TV show is based on a true story.
Right.
So I wouldn't put it past Stranger Things. A lot of weird things have happened in Indiana.
Have you personally experienced it? Seen something with your own eyes?
No, but there was a possession that happened in Gary, Indiana.
That's
Oh, no.
a lot.
Where Stranger Things took place?
Gary?
No, in Stranger Things took place in
Oh, no.
Hawkins,
Okay,
Indiana.
yeah, it's Hawkins.
Hawkins,
Yeah.
Indiana.
That's right. They.
Wait, is Hawkins a real place?
No, it's
Oh, that's what I thought. That's
Oh,
what I thought. I
that's
thought it was a
what
fake
I'm
place.
thinking.
not. Hawkins is not a real
yeah.
place, unfortunately.
Liars. Man, bro. Shoot, bro. So I know you're a last minute guest, bro. So,
Sure am.
No, which is dope, bro.
No, I'm very lucky and glad to be on here. This couch is gone.
Even though he is a last minute guest, he was a planned guest. I just didn't know when to have him as a guest. Ever since I met him, a little background. We met doing a film festival,
Yeah, the
right?
film festival. I was doing photography. He was doing the interviews of the filmmakers.
Yeah. And then I learned that he was a filmmaker and that he was a Epcot. he did it all.
Yeah, bro. That's got bro.
Yeah.
Tell you.
And I checked out his YouTube too. Plug in your YouTube, bro.
Oh, I got 2 YouTube channels. My film YouTube channel is called LBSF Productions. It stands for Low Budget Short Film Productions. And my music channel is, my band is called Camera Crew. The easiest way you can find my music is by searching up Camera Crew cover, because my band started doing a lot of cover music when we started.
Okay.
But now it's just me doing music. My friend back home in India is the other half of the band. So
Yeah.
What got you into filmmaking, man? Like, what?
my family has always been writers. My aunt has a master's in literature right now.
Oh, lit.
I've entered a few writing competitions growing up. I've won a few of them, not a whole lot, but enough to make me want to do more, get the hunger for more writing and for people to see my writing, because it's fine and it's fun writing for myself. I'm like, ooh, spooky story.
Yeah,
this is good,
yeah.
fun. But like when other people validate my work, it's good. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it or be too modest about it. It feels good for people to like your stuff.
Talk your shit, bro. Talk your shit. Like no, like it's like you worked hard for that, right? It's like you put your passion, your time, your effort. Yeah, you want people to be like, dog, that was.
Yeah, like, because I would write, direct, and film, and even sometimes have to act in the films that I make, and just being the sole eyes on that project for so long, and then finally someone coming and seeing it and being like, yeah, that was pretty good. It felt so good, especially the first short film I made. I showed it to my dad, and he was like, that's a good one. I was like, yes. I didn't care. It's my dad. Good enough.
Yeah. You know, speaking of that, like, you're talking about so many pieces that a lot of people don't really realize, especially when they see the final product. Like, the thing when it comes to the art that we're diving into, like, people don't see the back end. Like, they don't know how much we put into this party. They don't know how much you put into the film. It's like, I'm curious on, like, what kept you going? What was that reason, that je ne sais quoi, that just is just like, nah, I'm still going, or I'm walking in faith, or what have you?
Two things. One, each time I felt like, maybe I made the wrong decision here. Maybe I should have done something else. When I would tell people about what I was doing, they'd be like, I'm glad you're still doing that. And that made me feel good about it, and it made me feel like I am doing the right thing. People are rooting for me. The other thing is, after I finish a product or a project, whether it be music or a film, I know some people don't like watching their stuff or listening to their own things because they nitpick it or whatever, and I do as well, but I am so proud of what I made that I just can't get enough of like absorbing it. Like, I'll make a song and I'll listen to it like 60 times and I'm like, man, I cannot believe I made this. This did not exist in the world until I gave it to the world. And that feeling is a big motivation for me. It's just like,
that's fire.
All right.
Bro, what like being a filmmaker, author, Epcot, person. I'm not in the film industry, so I don't know what it's really called, but what lesson, bro, and what exactly did you learn about yourself in this process and in this journey, bro, that you didn't know before?
I learned that you can't force creativity. A lot of the time I'll be upset that I haven't worked on something in a while, and then I'll sit down and try to work on it, and I just get more upset and more in my head because I'm not doing anything and I'm just hitting this wall. But like the other day, I had an idea for a film, and it was the best idea I've had in a while for a short film, and it was literally an idea I had as I was going to sleep. And I was like, that's a good idea. I need to write that down. I have a whole notes page in my phone of just ideas. So I learned that man. I don't even know. I learned. Man, I'm blanking. I'm so sorry.
No, it's all good. Take your time.
bro. It's dope.
I learned that you can't force creativity. That's where I was. All right.
There you go. Yeah.
I got there.
Sorry about that.
I've just been finding so many words in my brain. I'm trying to keep up. Anyway, so people shouldn't be so hard on themselves when they're having writer's block or they're seeing all these people getting ideas. Speaking of which, sorry, I know we're running out of time. A thing that I keep hearing people say a lot that is resonating with me is that someone who is worse than you is doing exactly what you want to be doing because they wanted it more.
Oh my goodness.
And so like, I feel like I need to put more effort into like putting myself out there and stuff.
That, man, when I used to run track and field, bro, that was one of the things I always had in my mind. It was like, man, somebody from a different country, from maybe a place where they have less equipment, less resources, poor, like, you know, worse circumstances I had, is out here training harder than me. And, you know, it's like, and I could be sitting here not putting in enough work and think, okay, that's, like, I'm putting in what I can, but someone else is in a different situation where they're going 1,000 times harder,
Right.
15, you know what I'm saying, 1 billion times harder, and it's like, nah, bro, you can't stop, like, you
You
cannot, you know. So,
can't.
no, definitely, bro.
Thanks. But then it's like with that creativity at the same time, because with sports it's slightly different, right? Because it's a competition, you're competing, right? But with art, it's like you're competing with yourself. You know, I mean, you got to.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is true. That is
Still
true.
competition.
That is true. 100%. That is true. And like the thing that I like that you reminded me of, I saw like the short of Neil deGrasse Tyson talking about how artists are necessary because the difference between an artist and a scientist goes out and discovers something that already exists. An artist creates something that does not exist.
Right.
Scratch, bro.
From scratch,
Like, it's like you playing God, literally.
like I mean, yeah, it's following
Exactly.
following the example.
Like, exactly. Yeah. Man.
Yeah.
I wish we had enough time, but
No, it's been an absolute pleasure talking with you
no,
guys.
we definitely gotta have it. Gotta have
Yes,
it on.
please come through.
I am happy
Please
to come back
through.
anytime.
Yeah.
That too was one, man. Like, it was awesome, brother. But I'm glad you was able to come here, bro. It's
a pleasure.
Appreciate
Yeah,
you, man. It's
for
nice
sure.
meeting you, bro.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And like we always say, man,
It's a vibe.
at the 115.
At the 115.
Like we always say.
It's a vibe.
At the 115.
I appreciate it, y'all, man. Thanks for saying for having on. And I'm left hanging. Yeah. That being said, this concludes our episode, man. We love y'all. At the end of this episode, we got Boss Direct having a cool performance episode. Man, bro, again, bro, we made it happen. Made it happen. I'm glad we was able to have the people around us here. Catch us next time at the 115. You already know it's a vibe at the 115, baby. Let's go.
I appreciate you. Now it's brighter days, see me outside. So